This is Jenna's Nature Show. This is Jenna's Nature Show. Jenna's Nature Show. Welcome.
La-di-dee, la-di-doo. Jenna's Nature Show. Oh yeah. Arboretum.
Arboretum.
Welcome to our nature walk.
That's pretty neat.
Whoa, bird, watch where you're going. Here is an aspen. You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is.
How neat is that?
Get the earth moving, you know. Yeep.
Yeep, cheep, cheep.
Yeep, chip, chip. You know, I like to shake it up. Oh, we're coming up on a wild bud. Let's go. Oh, there's a squirrel though. Oh, is that a squirrel? I've never heard it make that noise before. Oh, looky there. Just like a little birdie. Do you know what a gnu is? G-N-U, a gnu?
No.
A gnu is in the wildebeest type of family. You got some wild pines here, home for hawks. This pine grove supports a hawk's nest most years. Chicks hatch each spring, so pretty recently, and explore the Arb's main valley as they learn how to fly. State tree. The white pine is Michigan's state tree. Also, in 1926, geology professor William H. Hobbs embarks on a 3-month university expedition to Greenland to explore polar wind patterns. Hobbs led expeditions to Greenland in 1926, 1927, and 1928 to research his theories on the influence of Greenland ice cap on weather. This tree was planted in 1926.
Wow.
You know, that's all from a noggin.
Wow.
Wow, that is a snake right there. Aye, looky here. We got a real live garden snake. Oh. Oh. See, he's going through the garden, so maybe a garden snake. Wow. We're just gonna let him be. Wow. Side note. To those caring for this land, those who have and those who will, thank you. Fred Shell, 2017. Oh! That rock has not been there very long. This is a trash receptacle. In case you ever need to throw away your trash. Keep our arboretum arboretums clean.
I was gonna go like parks, but that works.
Parks clean.
Welcome.
La-di-dee, la-di-doo. Jenna's Nature Show. Oh yeah.